Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, venous drainage of the eyeball. Venous drainage of the eyeball is mainly by the vertex veins. We also have central retinal veins. And these vertex veins and central retinal veins will drain into the ophthalmic veins, it drains into the superior and inferior ophthalmic veins. And these superior and inferior ophthalmic veins in turn drains into the cavernous sinus. What is this cavernous sinus? It is a dural venous sinus present behind the eye. So mainly the drainage of the venous drainage is by vortex veins and central retinal veins.
thank you and thank you for watching.